Hebei Taoguan Technology Co. Ltd is located in Shijiazhuang City, Hebei Province. It is a manufacturer specializing in the production of pipe mill equipment. The pipe making equipment developed by the company has reached the domestic advanced level and has passed the ISO Quality Management System certification. The company has an excellent R&D team and rich R&D experience, and has obtained a number of national patent certificates. Our company is committed to replacing productivity with creativity, sparing no effort in talent, investment, and upgrading of soft and hard equipment to promote the company's transformation of welding pipe machine equipment production from manufacturing to creation. Provide customers with trustworthy all-round solutions. The company integrates design, manufacturing, sales and service. It can provide customers with complete solutions. We have more than 30 years of work experience in the pipe industry. We have an experienced team from product professional introduction, market guidance to production quality supervision and transportation. Provide customers with fair and safe business guarantees.